What's up, YouTube? Glock Punisher here. Yeah, back in Washington, back to wearing tennis shoes and stuff like that. Not at the beach anymore. You know, back to Washington. Beautiful Washington weather today. You know, got a question. First question of the day is, mow the lawn, take off and have some fun. Mow the lawn, have some fun. What would you do? I know what you do. You do what I'm going to do. I'm going to go have some fun. So I'll mow the lawn as the sun starts going down tonight, if I get back on time. So if not, I'll do it tomorrow. So had a little mini picnic here in the driveway. This is how Mexicans roll, I think. Maybe not, but anyhow, we had good shade. We're just sitting out here having a couple of soft drinks. Okay, actually water and Gatorade and stuff like that, and we made it into a little picnic. Went out and got a little bit of food, some chicken from Costco, and you know the whole chicken, you know, the ones that's roasted, and we just made sandwiches, brought it back, made sandwiches, and just hung out and stuff. You know, kids were playing out here, and the sun's out already, so kids are taking off to the pool. There's Mocha, come here, say hi to YouTube, and gangster wannabes. Anyways, that's it, guys. That's all I'm doing today. Relaxing, taking off, doing something. I gotta wash this truck from when I got back from California. There's a lot of bugs that kind of came with me. They decided to stick on, you know, stick onto us here and stuff. So it needs to be washed. Look at that. Yeah, it needs to be washed. Had to work all day yesterday, from 6 in the morning to closing, so didn't have a chance to clean it and stuff. And right now, well, we're just gonna have a little fun before I go wash it. I'm not gonna put it through the car wash. You know, that stuff that they put, the additives that they put on the through the car washes with the water are not good for the paint. So I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, really, I'm not talking about anything. Just little blah blah blah, what I'm doing, what's going. Oh yeah, hey, a review. That's right, this is one of my son's guns and stuff. Ammunition is very cheap, so you know, you hook it on there, and you hook it on here, and then obviously you pull the trigger, and let me see, we're gonna murder a horse here. Are you guys ready? Boom, there you go. It's got a safety. The first click doesn't fire it, it sets it. And what it is, it doesn't look like it works when it doesn't have a rubber band until you pull the trigger, until you put the rubber band, and then, you know, the tension on there makes it fire. So it's an Arner Challenger, patent pending. So yeah, there you go. I did a gun review. How's that? Not bad. Average distance is probably, let me see, it hits all the way over there. I'd say 5 yards, a 5-yard gun. So you know, you don't have to be any further than that to hit any target. So anyways, just want to say hi to all my buddies, and hi to all my YouTube buddies, and hi to all the people that you know, that comment, that are my buddies, but probably will be at some point. Then all the buddies that were buddies, but now are huge channels and don't have the time for me, and you know, shit like that. You know, YouTube has gone through a few changes and stuff, and you know, it's not friendly anymore. It's give me this, give me that. I'll give you this, I'll give you that, whatever. Anyways, Ice Cream Lady's coming, so I'm gonna hook it up with that. You know, why not, right? Why not? There she comes. Yeah, known this lady for about, let me see, for 15 years. She used to go through my other neighborhood where I used to live, and she's been through like 3 neighborhoods since I've moved. Not too many times, but all right, here I go. I'm just gonna let her check her out. How you doing? I'm doing all right. Let me see. Okay, this is Glock Punisher. Woo! Out.